Okay, in activity 8 AB, we're going to be examining the ski race CSV file. If you open it, the CSV file just will be a simple one. You need to format it. It's not mentioned, but obviously you need to format it to look like this one. So after formatting, let's examine the data. You're going to have the skier using starting. So you're going to locate the skier, or here are the skiers information. We have their entry number. It seems like a unique number for each. Their starting order, their first name, family name, and their finishing position. These two are important. When they started, when they finished. Here, we need right now to locate them. So we need to put some test data over here. This could be empty like this. And we can put any random testing data or according to what your paper or question paper is asking you. So according to the book, they're asking you just, for example, to put 30. And you need to refer his list reference or his reference from here. Okay, or sorry, what I mean here is his list reference, which line he is right now. Is he in the first, second, or which row he is? So simply for referring, we can use match. Match function is the best. So in match function, you're going first to find the lookup value. My lookup value is this test number. And then I'm going to look up, use the array. This is my array because this number is supposed to be matching or coming from this array. And I'm going to make it absolute. And then finally, the match type, you have different types of match type. Mostly we want it to be exact match. So just use 0. So it's going to tell you what is the order of the row. Let's change it to 29. So here you can see it's telling you that it is in line 6. The same thing will apply to this one. Here the book asks you to put 111. So we're going just to use the same function. And instead of using the starting order over here, we're going to use, this is the finishing order, right? So we need to use this finishing position. I'm just going to change the column name. So instead of B, I'm going to use E. Okay, yeah, it's still 65. So as you can see that the one who finished, I think I'm having some, okay, yeah, that's the issue. The VLOOKUP value or the lookup value is supposed to be from here. And then the array is correct and it's supposed to be exact match. So here we go. It's number first row. Let's change, for example, to 19. And so, okay, I'm just going to change it back to those values the book asks you. Okay, the next point is we're going to find the entry number of whoever his test number is over here. Okay, so based on this, we're going to find their entry number. Before that, let me read the question. It says display the data for the skier who had, okay, I need to change it to 64 here. So who had the position, starting position 64 and finished the first one. So who finished the first one? Let's see. So that needs to be right now 64 and this one who finished the first. Okay. Right now, over here to start to enter it to find the entry number of this person who finished at position 64. Since it is on row 43, but anyway, I want to all the other details I want it to be over here. So here, XLOOKUP can work or some type of HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP, or obviously we can try it and check it. But we can try right now to use index and match two together. So I have already match here. So first of all, if I put match here, so I'm just going to copy it from here. Let's first try to get the match. And you're going to get the row number. So basically, depending on the row number, we can right now use index to tell me the exact information based on this match as well. So first thing, in the index is required the array. The array I'm going to highlight over this whole array. That's the first criteria. And then the match, and then the second criteria is going to be the row number. Row number was already given through the match function, which was 60 something, 64 I guess. And then after that, I need the column number. So which column I am getting the entry number? Entry number obviously from column number 1 from my array. So here we go. We got the entry number of the first person, which seems to on that row. For the next one, we're going to also do the same thing. I'm going to replicate it, but I'm going to fix this one. And the value needs to be as well fixed. And then I need this one to be as well fixed. Okay, so let me replicate it to the next. Okay, so the next row, I need the first name. So that was column number 1, first name on column number 3. So simply, I'm just going to change the column number, that's it. The row number will be definitely the same. So that's going to give me Steve, that he is, let me search for Steve. Okay, you can see that that was his number, and his last name is supposed to be Wilson, and position supposed to be the finished position, so 2, 4. Okay, let me just go to the next one. Family name supposed to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. As we saved, Wilson, and the finishing position will be number 5. Okay, so great. So that was based on the information of the starting position. We can do the same thing based on the information of the finishing position. So let me just get match, and let's get starting the starting position of that person. But before that, let's get it based on the index. So let me select the whole array. Whole array starts from A10 till E165. And the column number is going to be this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's supposed to be 5. Okay, so that's in position number 1. No, that something is wrong here. Okay. They're asking me for the starting position, and I'm referring to the finishing position. So starting position starts here from column 2. Okay, so let me replicate this, and then we will be changing according to the entry. Entry is in column number 1, so we just need to change this one. The next one, oops, I need to apply the absolute values. So the next one is I needed entry number, so that's going to be 1. Next one is I need first name, so first name on the 3rd column. And the last one is going to be the family name, which is on the 4th column. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Okay, that's all for this activity. And then don't forget to save it as the task AB. I already did that.